Incidentally, if I am not mistaken, this same gospel is the one proclaimed on Ash Wednesday. You remember at the beginning of Lenten season, we are encouraged to give alms, we are encouraged to pray, we are encouraged to fast. Those are the righteous deeds that the Lord mentioned at the beginning of the gospel. But He has a warning. Take care not to perform righteous deeds in order that people may see them. Yan ang paalaala at babala ni Jesus sa atin. Gumawa ka ng mabuti, magdasal, magbigay ng limos, mag-ayuno, pero gawin mo ito hindi bilang pakitang tao. We can fall into that trap to do things for the sake of show. The more people, the better for us. Maraming nakakakita, mas mainam. Pero ang babala ni Jesus ay ito. Wala na kayong tatanggaping gantimpala kasi pinuri na kayo ng tao. Ngayon, ano ang mas mahalaga? Yung papuri ng tao o yung papuri ng Diyos? Yung sabihin ng tao, wow, ang galing-galing mo, o ang sabihin ng Diyos, wow, ang galing-galing mo. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, here in this gospel, we are being reminded to always examine our intentions. Because our intentions for doing righteous deeds may not always be pure. Our intentions may not always be pure. Gagawin mo lang isang bagay dahil pupurihin ka o may mapapala ka, may ibibigay sa iyong kapalit. During fiestas, pictures of candidates, politicians are on streamers, on tarpaulins. Sometimes their picture is even bigger than the picture of the patron saint. Nakalagay, Happy Fiesta. Pagbati mula kay. Well, it's a good intention. It's a good deed. Nakikipiesta ka, nakikibati ka, pero anong intention mo? Para ka makilala ng mas maraming tao. Para pag dumating yung halalan, sabihin ng tao, ay, ito yung bumati sa atin ng piyesta eh. No? Boto natin. Then, your good deed has gone to waste because your intention was not pure. Tutulong ka sa isang tao, pero para merong kapalit. Kapag meron kang gusto, gagawin naman niya. Nagpapaaral ka, scholar. Pero para saan? Para meron kang mapala. Alam nyo, kumisan, yung mga magulang, ganyan din kumisan ng intensyon. Pag-aaralin ko kayo, para pagtanda ko, aalagaan nyo ko. No. That is why, my dear sisters and brothers, in this gospel, we are being reminded by the Lord, examine your intentions, because your intentions may not always be pure. Let this be our prayer always. Lord, when I do something good, may I do it for you. Amen.